going on, everybody? Dragon here. I thought I'd just do this video to tell you a story about this kid that I'm in the forums in. Basically, one of the riders that I'm in the group with has his motorbike, his chain snapped, and basically it's just a really terrible maintaining of his motorbike chain. His chain is rusted up really badly, that it snapped on him on the motorway. And if you can see the picture here, you can see that his chain is just terrible, really terrible. I mean, not even my chain is like that whatsoever. And obviously, if you don't look after your chain, if you don't clean your chain, you don't lube your chain will snap on you. That's why you should keep your chain clean and maintain, because if you don't, anything could happen, really bad could happen to you. And it's not really a cool thing going on a ride and then your chain just snaps, especially you're going to ride out with your mates and all suddenly that your chain snaps, because it'll be a wonderful, good, nice day like this to be a crappy day because the chain of your motorcycle snap. So remember, guys, clean your chain. I know it's going to be like the annoying thing that you clean your chain, but just keep it maintained, guys. So I'm going to end this video right here. I will speak to you guys in the next video. Bye.
You've been acting like a stranger, said you see me later, but you never call back. I've been getting faded, running out of patience, but I know it's alright. I'll just keep on waiting till you come ride with me, girl. You can